the hotline like any day. Making sure. Who's this one calling me? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Who is this? Hello? Yeah, I can't hear you.
Wow. Auntie Lily. Auntie Lily. No tomorrow my message.
Yes, this is Lily. How can I help you? I'm sorry, what? What's your husband's name then? Enoch. Yeah, I know of Enoch. But Enoch told me that he doesn't have a wife. Yeah, he told me he said his wife passed away 4 years ago. I don't know of any wife. No, I'm being for real. Why are you shouting? Oh my God, you're so dramatic. Why don't you try and talk to him? Yeah, please, I thank you so much for calling me. I mean, I really appreciate this, but you don't have to shout, okay? Guerereshe, what is that? Oh my God, don't be so dramatic. Chi. Situnjani. What is that? Is that your name? Oh my God, this is so ridiculous.